Scammers are becoming more advanced every single day, and one of the most shocking examples right now is the wave of calls where criminals pretend to be Wells Fargo staff, using spoofed numbers, fake fraud alerts, and high-pressure tactics to make people believe their money or accounts are at risk. The goal is simple: create fear and urgency so victims hand over personal information or even transfer money straight into the scammer's hands. What makes this especially dangerous is how convincing the calls can sound. Many users on Reddit have shared their real experiences, describing how the caller ID displayed actual Wells Fargo numbers, making it nearly impossible at first glance to know it was fake. Some even said the fraudsters mimicked the bank's fraud department systems, going as far as asking verification-style questions that made the call seem completely legitimate. Others explained how their households were targeted even when no one had a Wells Fargo account, which shows these scammers are casting a wide net, hoping to catch anyone off guard. Even more alarming is that once scammers make contact, they don't stop. They often recontact victims with new angles, such as fake follow-up calls or fresh alerts, which adds another layer of pressure and confusion. Several people admitted they came dangerously close to transferring large amounts of money, genuinely believing they were protecting themselves, before noticing small red flags that exposed the fraud. These stories prove how sophisticated and relentless these scams have become, and they highlight the importance of staying skeptical of any unexpected banking calls, no matter how official they sound. The fact that scammers can so easily spoof numbers and imitate fraud departments shows that anyone could be a target, which is why awareness is the strongest defense against becoming the next victim.